and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name's Ailey. Today's video we're going to be talking about, or trying out even, the Revolution X Imogenation Highlight to the Moon. Now, look at the packaging of this. This is amazing. The only reason that I really kind of came across this was obviously I absolutely love Makeup Revolution or Revolution Beauty, whatever the heck they're called now. I think that their products are amazing. So when they pop up like on Facebook when they've got deals on and stuff like that, I immediately go on and see what they've got. Yet again, I forgot to order. I forgot to restock my concealer. What an idiot. So I still need to do that. But I did obviously see this. I think they've got an eyeshadow palette as well, and I wasn't really that drawn to it. To be honest, I do have a couple of their eyeshadow palettes, and that kind of style doesn't, I don't know. And to be honest with you, I've just bought the Vault collection. It's going to be here hopefully in the next couple of days. So yeah, I thought, I think I have 4 new palettes. I think that's probably enough for now. So I picked up the highlight palette. This is what it looks like inside. I don't know if I'm going to be able to like not glare you with it. Look at that packaging. It's absolutely stunning, and then it's just sort of like a really peachy colour on the back. So as far as I'm aware, this is a collaboration between Revolution and Imogenation, which is a girl called Imogen on YouTube. Now obviously she's on like YouTube, Twitter, Instagram. I will leave her link to her channel down below for you. To be honest, I personally am not a follower of her. I may now go and check out her channel a little bit. I did go over and watch her reveal video for this and her actually using it. I was quite impressed, but to be honest, it's just purely because I happened to see it and it looked really nice. So this is called a highlighter palette. So it's Highlight to the Moon, and this is it here. So I was a little bit shocked when I seen it was called a highlighter palette because, well, it's not all highlights. So you've got a row of highlights. I've obviously got it upside down just because the mirror is down here. The mirror is a full-size mirror. I don't want to turn it around because then you'll just see all the junk on my desk and it'll probably blind you. So we'll just put it down here. So this is the bottom row and this is the highlighters. So this is Angel Face, Slay My Life and Limited Edition. So by the looks of it, Slay My Life is split into 2 pans. I don't know why, it just is. Then you've got your contour shades or bronzer shades, whatever, in the middle, and we've got Can't Deal, which is the darkest, Warrior, which is the sort of mid-tone, and Literally, which is the lighter tone. I should have said Angel Face is a very yellow highlight, Slay My Life is gold and yellow gold, and then Limited Edition is quite a silvery highlight. And then at the top here we've got Coyote, My Gal and Pretty Heart. So these look like they're under eye setting powder. So you've got a more peachy one on this side, a banana powder in the middle, and a more pinky, yeah, probably pinky-ish one. So yeah, as you can probably see, I'm like really washed out just now. I do have fake tan on the top half of my body, and my foundation's a little light for me just now. So I didn't want to use this yet. I wanted to use it with you guys and show you a little bit about it. That's the one thing I realised that this didn't have in it, so I have got my Tarte Blush Bazaar out just to add blush because I haven't added anything to my face yet. I've lightly powdered my face, but that's it. So I guess we should start with, I have set my under eyes, but I just want to kind of try one of the powders just to see what it looks like. I've never before used banana powder. Probably go for the lightest powder in this, but why don't we just try My Gal? Just for shits and giggles. So, to be honest, it's not really going to do much. I would swatch these. I would swatch these, but it's the kind of thing that, to be honest, why swatch a bronzer? Or like a contour. A highlighter, I'll swatch the highlighters. But they're things that you don't put on like that. Like eyeshadow or that, I will be swatching all of the Vault collection and stuff like that, but like stuff like that, you know, it does sort of apply like that, so that kind of makes sense. But like, you want a bronzer or a contour or a blush to blend out really nicely and look a really nice colour. So unless you're going to sit and do lots of really blended out swatches on your arm, it's just pointless in my opinion. So I'm sure if you Google online, there'll be lots of different places that have done swatches. So yeah, so far I really did like that feeling it on my finger, it does feel very soft. It's a little bit chalky. I mean, it's not the softest powder in the world, but it is Makeup Revolution, and unless I didn't say so already, this is £10. So, you know, you're getting 9 products for £10. It's a pretty good deal. So I'm gonna go into Literally, and I'm just using my Point XL brush as always, and I'm gonna sort of use it more as a bronzer, to be honest, because I can't really go into any sort of contour until I've got, you know, some kind of colour on my face, and like I said, I haven't properly got the right foundation shade on just now, so I am feeling quite pale. Okay, that I like. That's Literally. I take it she says literally a lot. I could relate. I actually really like that shade. I think that shade is a really, really good shade for me. Let me compare it to... It is a little bit lighter than Hoola, but it's a little bit darker than Hoola Light. Okay. So I actually think that it's the colour that I would like Benefit to bring out, like something in between Hoola Light and Hoola. Because I am somebody who mixes both of them, and it is a bit annoying. I suppose for like really, really, really fair people, Hoola Light's perfect. So I'm going to go into Warrior now, which is the middle shade, and I'm just going to do more of a contour with it. Okay, so I really like that shade. I don't know if Can't Deal would maybe be a little too dark. So I'm just going to add a little bit of blush. So now we're going to try the highlighters. So like I said, I will swatch them for you. I have a clean hand. So I'm going to take Angel Face. That's this one. And that's a really, really, really yellow highlight. I hope that's picking up on camera. Now, Slay My Life. First, I'll run my finger just around both of the shades. And that's that one there. So it's like a lot paler than Angel Face. Is it Angel? Yeah, it is Angel Face. So this one's more yellow. So if I take another little bit of that and just intensify it so you can see it. So it's a lot more sort of, I want to say champagne-y coloured than Angel Face. So that's Slay My Life, and that's both of the shades swirled together. So I'm going to take the left-hand side when you're looking at the palette. And then I'll take the right-hand side and put that next to it. Yeah, there's like the tiniest, most subtle difference to those shades there. So that's them both there. So that's the left-hand side and that's the right-hand side. Okay, Limited Edition is the one right at the bottom there. Limited Edition is very, very creamy feeling. It feels almost like a cream. So Angel Face is very dry. Limited Edition is very, very creamy, and then Slay My Life is sort of in between. I don't know if that's intentional, maybe it's just variations in the palette, I don't know. So I'm going to go for Slay My Life just because it's my favourite out of the bun. And I'm going to swirl them both together, and I'm just going to use my M501 brush. This is just dry as well. I mean, it's not bad. It's a really nice kind of half subtle goldeny highlight. So my favourite setting spray is finished. Actually, I've got a new one on the way. So I'm going to pick up some Slay My Life, and I'm just going to use some Urban Decay All Nighter and wet that. Okay. I don't know if that's coming up on camera, but it's pretty intense. For me, anyway. So, last step I do with everything. I actually think that that's probably one of the best £10 I've ever spent. Especially seeing as I've never seen anybody else review it, so I'm quite glad that I got it. So like I said, it was £10. I actually got mine from Revolution Beauty themselves, their own website this time. Normally I always get it from Superdrug. I just wanted to read a little bit about this for you. It's cruelty free and vegan, which is good to know, and I did pull up some stuff. Oh, it says calling all the Huns, and Huns is basically what she calls her followers. We've teamed up with content creator Imogenation. Sorry if I sounded so weird. Imogenation. To create 2 pretty palettes so you can slate all day. Imogenation, see, I can't say that, I'm sorry. Highlight to the Moon is an all-in-one face palette perfect for contouring, highlighting, bronzing, setting, featuring 6 contouring, bronzing and setting shades, plus 4 highlighter shades. So that split pan is obviously, so you've got 2. I would say then you're getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shades, because each one in that pan is different, and then when you swirl them together it's different, so you're getting quite a lot of highlighters there, if that makes any sense. Yeah, the eyeshadow palette's £10, and for anybody wondering what it looks like, it looks just like that. But I will leave a link to Revolution Beauty's website down below so you can go and check it out. Yeah, I'll definitely be reaching for this, and I'm going to stop playing with it now, but I think that's pretty much it for me. So if you enjoyed this video, I would love if you would give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I do post videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so hopefully I will see you in the next one.